Good morning and welcome. Before we get started, please go get yourselves a cup of tea or coffee and a biscuit, and we will get started shortly. Everybody, come and take a seat. It is nice to see some unfamiliar faces today. My name is Sharon Dew, and I am here today to talk to you about symmetry. There are three particular areas that I am going to talk to you about today, and they are phenomenon. How does symmetry fit in as a natural phenomenon in mathematics and curriculum? And how you as a teacher can engage your students in the process of symmetry learning, with a really good example at the end. Okay, what is phenomenon? It is a fact, occurrence, or circumstance that can be observed or seen. It is something extraordinary or remarkable in appearance, also known as a natural phenomenon. What is symmetry? Symmetry is regarded as the perfect balance a person observes and senses, such as the shape and body of a butterfly, a leaf, or a peacock. As you can see in the pictures at the side there, I've got pictures of leaves. If you bend the leaves in half, you'll see that they are both the same on both sides, and that's the same as the peacock as well. In mathematics, it means an object has a line of symmetry. If you can create a line and divide the object perfectly down the middle, the two parts would be exactly the same. Symmetry and the curriculum. My activity today is going to be for Year 3 students. It's from the Mathematics, Measurement and Geometry section of the Mathematics Australian curriculum. It's called Identify Symmetry in Nature. It is a natural phenomenon, and the number is A6MMGO66. As you can see, butterfly symmetry in this picture, there is a line of symmetry right down the center of the butterfly, and both halves are identical in nature, from the body shape to the rigid pattern on the wings. So here is a picture that I have created. If you fold this picture in half, like this, and then you open it up again, you'll see that both of those halves are identical in nature. You can see that the colours on both sides are in the same spot. Here is an activity that I have chosen. As I shown you before, I actually done that activity, coloured in the sides, and they're both identical in nature. What you can do is get your children to do the same by using the colours down the left-hand side of the picture, and down the bottom it actually says what symmetry is, but in plain terms so the students can understand. Symmetry means that something is the same on both sides. You can also ask them to give you some examples of what symmetry is, and they can take this home and keep it and reflect on it when they need to know something about symmetry. Also get the children to go outside and see if they can find any butterflies and see for themselves in nature about the butterflies and the symmetry on both sides. As an extension, I also think that this one is a really good activity where it's got two sides, this half of the butterfly and this half of the butterfly. You would cut out this part of the butterfly and you would find which butterfly that half belongs to. It's really good for the students and really fun and intriguing for them as well. I would like to say thank you very much for coming today. If you have any queries or any problems, please give me a call or email me alternatively. I will email you back as soon as I can with any answers. I'd like to say good luck with your students and with symmetry. Thank you very much for coming. Bye.